Carroll, Director of Cyber Education here at Tunkhannock Area School District. This informational video is meant for students in grades K-2 and is a follow-up video on how to navigate the courses in Canvas. So once you are logged into Canvas and you want to access a course, go ahead and click on one of the icons on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you do that, it will bring you to the main page of that course. For today, September 14th, we want to go ahead and log on to week 2. And then after we do that, it will take us to the main page. We want to go ahead and click on the day of the week. So for today, it would be Monday. So we would click on the orange tiger path. After we do that, we want to go ahead and click on Next at the bottom of the screen. After we do that, we are now ready to officially begin the lesson for the day. As you navigate through the course, you will use the Next button located at the bottom of the screen. You will see some embedded videos within the lessons. In order to access the video, go ahead and click the play button, watch the video, and when you are ready to access the next page, go ahead and click Next, located at the bottom of the screen. When you are ready to submit an assignment, please go ahead and read the directions, and then when you are ready to submit the assignment, please click the black Submit Assignment button located at the bottom of your screen. When you are ready to navigate to the next page, please click Next. Please make sure you go through each part of the lesson, and when you are ready to navigate back to the home page, you can either click Next or you can click the Home button located at the top of the screen. This would be the main page of the course, and if you want to navigate back home, you go ahead and click the Home button located at the top of the screen. There are some embedded how-to videos in order to help you with quiz submissions, course navigation, how to submit a PDF file, and some of the other main topics. We are now back at the main part of the screen, and if you want to go ahead and send a message to your teacher, you want to go ahead and hit the Inbox button located at the bottom of the screen. You want to go ahead and click the plus sign at the top, compose your message, and then you can navigate back to the beginning of the dashboard. If you want to see your calendar, you go ahead and click Calendar located at the bottom of your screen. And then this will give you today's objectives. When you are ready, you can navigate back to the dashboard. Thank you for watching.